Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and welcome back to another Fun Day Sunday watch face review. We got a couple of freebies for you all to check out. I hope your weekend went well. I hope you enjoyed family and friends, and or I hope you got the rest needed from that long work week. All right, you all, I got a couple of freebies for you all to check out. So let's go ahead, let's do this. The name of the watch face is called A.S.A.P face. Very unique name for a watch face. Now, this to me is going to be more of a dressed down casual watch face, but you just might get away with dressing up with this one, depending on what watch band you have on and what attire that you're going to be wearing for that day. But in the AOD mode, you're going to get a traditional look, has a luxury look to it as well in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, I thought this watch face looked pretty good. You're going to get the best of both worlds, digital and analog, and also at the same time, you're going to get a 12-hour watch face and a 24-hour watch face as well. Now, I'm loving the digital time in its own box, has a retro look and feel to it. Up at the top, you are going to get your step information. Over here is going to be your battery. And of course, you got your date and your heart rate down at the bottom. Now, I'm liking the background. Black background, white bezel. The index looks nice. So it does have a luxury feel to it to a degree, not bad at all. The hands doesn't scream luxury, but they are nice, and you do get a second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. So I'm thinking this is not a bad look for a download. Question is, what do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that, let's check out watch face number two. Now, we're trying to get you ready for the work week because it's all about casual wear. You're not trying to go out. You're not hitting the town, not unless you got a business board meeting or something like that. Then this one here, you're probably going to have to put to the side. But for everybody else, like myself, this is a nice watch face. Now, the name of it is called BAAwan, that's what I'm calling it, Sports. And it's a nice casual look. I do like the design of this one. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple, and I do mean a simple digital time in the AOD mode. I thought the developer could have did a little bit more with this one, although it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But all in all, once the watch face is on, it looks good. It has a nice sports look to it as well. Very unique, very different. Now, in this dial, you're going to get your minutes. It's quite small. Could have been a little bit bigger as well. And over here is going to be your 24-hour time for those of you all who don't like 12 hours. So you kind of get the best of both worlds with this one. I thought it was a nice look. It looks a lot better in person. So make sure you go ahead, download this, check this out, put it in your lineup if you got any more room in your storage. And with that, that's going to be it. I hope you all are getting the rest you needed because the Monday grind is right around the corner. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Please make sure you hit the like button because it does help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.